We are going to do guided practice homework 112B together. But before we do that, I'll tell you my joke. What is a tornado's favorite game to play? Twister. All right, everybody have homework side 112B, and we're going to read number 1 together. Get ready. Read. There are 16 cups of milk in a gallon. If Sydney drinks 2 cups of milk a day, how many days will it take for Sydney to drink a gallon of milk? We're going to underline what we need to find out and bracket what we know. What type of story problem is this? This is a division. So we're going to say 16 divided by 2 equals. And 16 divided by 2 equals what? 8. And what's our label? We find it after the words how many, and that would be days. So our answer is going to be 8 days. Number 2, these are pizzas. Divide the first pizza in half. Divide the second pizza into thirds. Remember how we put that dot in the middle of the circle? And then the last one into sixths. So we'll first put a line going vertically, and then we'll make a crisscross like that. Then it says each pizza will have 6 pieces of pepperoni. Draw the pepperoni on the pizzas so that each piece has the same amount. So we're going to put 6 on each piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/2 of 6 is how many? Write it there. 1/3 is how many pepperonis? Write it here. And 1/6, write it there. 3, find the products using mental computation. So 2 times 34. So first we have to think 2 times 30. 2 times 30 is 60. And 2 times 4 is what? 8. And 60 plus 8 equals 68. 5 times 20 is 100. And 5 times 1 is 5. And 100 plus 5 is 105. 3 times 62. 3 times 60 is 180. And 3 times 2 is 6. 180 plus 6 is 186. Number 4, write the number using words. Do not forget the hyphens. And the next one says, what digit is in the thousandths place? Well, if we look at this number, 4 is in the ones, 3 is in the tens, 7 is in the hundreds, and 5 is in the thousandths place. What is the place value of the digit 3? Do you remember what place value the 3s are in? Correct. Tens. Tiana was born in 1998. How old will Tiana be on her birthday this year? Well, we're going to write 1998 underneath, and in 10 years, it's going to be what? 2008. So you're going to write it like that. And then in 10 more years, it's going to be 2018. So you're going to write it like that. And from 2018 to 2020 is how many years? 2. So now we're going to add this together. 10, 20, 22. So 22 here. And the last one, shade the bar graph to show the children's favorite multiplication fact. So 5s was 28. So you're going to come over here, draw the line, and then shade this in. And then do the other 2. Don't forget the very last question. How many more children chose multiplying by 9 than multiplying by 5? So you'll have to subtract those 2 and write your answer here. Send me a picture when you're done.